As more businesses start to reopen, we're seeing an increase in local COVID-19 cases. Eyewitness News reporter Sheena Lasciuto spoke to two local doctors who say this spike was expected. Sheena joins us now with the new details.
Overall, Rhode Island has been seeing a downward trend in the number of positive cases. That's a big reason why the governor says we were able to move into phase 2. But as more things start to reopen, medical experts say we can't forget the dangers of this virus that can quickly spread. The Rhode Island Department of Health reports 102 new cases of COVID-19 Thursday, a notable spike compared to the 68 new cases reported Wednesday and the 41 cases reported the day before that.
Whether or not this is going to turn out to be a real trend, it's hard to know. We don't have enough data yet to see.
It's the first time the state has broken 100 new cases in 5 days. Dr. Laura Foreman, chief of emergency medicine at Kent Hospital, says the climate numbers we're seeing now was expected. The economy is starting to reopen. More people have been out and about, and some are even gathering in large groups.
With the restrictions relaxing, it's really easy for us to relax. It's just human nature. We want life to go back to normal, but it is still a very active infection.
The chief of emergency medicine at Lifespan explains how hospitals look at the numbers.
I have watched these data very closely because how many cases are being tested tells us about how many patients are going to show up with COVID in a week or so in our emergency departments.
Dr. Shore says when looking at the data, it's important to remember the number of tests being done varies from day to day. Both doctors say people need to stay vigilant.
But if we continue to see that, it's a real concern that we're not following the guidance around wearing masks, keeping distanced, and the things that we know can prevent spread of the disease.
Earlier this week, the governor said more people without symptoms can now get tested, including people who work at close contact businesses and people who may have attended any large gatherings lately, as there have been several protests and demonstrations in our area. I'm Sheena Lasciuto, Eyewitness News.